Ship 35 is back. It was a long trip to Massey's, but now, it's home at Starbase. Seeing Ship 35 return is exciting. It means Starbase is growing, SpaceX is working hard, and this is just the start. More adventures are coming soon. Moving Ship 35 wasn't easy, it's big. Highway 4 was busy, the SpaceX team worked carefully, they kept everyone safe, traffic moved smoothly. This shows how SpaceX plans ahead. They think of everything, they make it look easy. Starbase is always changing. New buildings are going up and old ones are getting fixed. The launch tower is getting taller. The landing pad is smoother. Everything is getting better. This hard work is getting us closer to Mars. Every step is important. Section 4 pads A and B, ready for action. These launch pads are the heart of our spaceport, where dreams of space exploration take flight. From here, rockets will soar into the sky, carrying with them the hopes and ambitions of humanity. The infrastructure you see is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Pad B is getting ready for big tests. Engineers and technicians are working tirelessly, ensuring every component is perfect. The construction of this pad is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to withstand the immense forces of rocket launches. The technical crew is dedicated to making sure everything runs smoothly, from the smallest bolt to the largest structure. New equipment is being added. This includes state-of-the-art machinery and cutting-edge technology that will enhance the capabilities of the launch pad. Workers are meticulously installing each piece of equipment, ensuring it meets the highest standards of safety and efficiency. Technicians are setting up systems that will monitor and control every aspect of the launch process. Pad A is getting upgrades too. These upgrades are essential to keep up with the demands of modern space missions. Maintenance crews are hard at work, ensuring the pad is in top condition. Technicians are upgrading the infrastructure, making it more robust and capable of handling the next generation of rockets. It will be even stronger. The reinforced structure of the launch pad is designed to handle the immense pressure and heat generated during rocket launches. This heavy-duty construction ensures the pad can support the weight and force of the most powerful rockets. The sturdy design is a critical component in ensuring the safety and success of each mission. It will handle powerful rockets. These launch pads are built to accommodate the most advanced rockets, capable of carrying heavy payloads into space. The sight of a rocket ready for launch is a testament to the incredible engineering and preparation that goes into each mission. The heavy-lift rockets at the launch site are a symbol of our progress and ambition. These pads are important for Starship. The Starship represents the future of space travel, and these launch pads are crucial for its missions. The preparation that goes into each launch is meticulous, ensuring that every detail is accounted for. The launch pad with the spacecraft is a sight to behold, a symbol of our journey towards the stars. They are the launch pads for our future. These futuristic launch pads are not just for today's missions, but are designed with the future in mind. They represent our vision for space exploration, where humanity reaches beyond our planet to explore the cosmos. The infrastructure here is a foundation for the next era of space travel, where the possibilities are limitless. Section 5. What's next for Starbase? Starbase is always changing. New things are happening all the time. We can expect more rocket tests. We will see new ships being built. Starbase is the future of space travel. It's an exciting time to watch it grow. Section 6. A foundation for the future. Every day, Starbase gets closer to its goals. The engineers and technicians work tirelessly, assembling spacecraft and perfecting rocket components. Their dedication and expertise are the backbone of this ambitious project. Each bolt tightened and each wire connected brings us one step closer to realizing our dreams of space exploration. It's not just about rockets. It's about the technology that powers them, the innovation that drives progress, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. The close-up of rocket engines symbolizes the heart of our mission, where every detail matters. The development of space technology is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It's about building a future in space. Astronauts undergo rigorous training to prepare for the challenges of space travel. They are the pioneers of our new frontier, ready to face the unknown. Meanwhile, the construction of space habitats is underway, laying the groundwork for sustainable living beyond Earth. This is the foundation for a future where humanity can thrive among the stars. A future where we explore the stars. Imagine the possibilities of deep space exploration, where spacecraft venture into the vast unknown, guided by the twinkling lights of distant stars. The starry night sky serves as a reminder of the endless opportunities that await us. Each mission brings us closer to uncovering the mysteries of the universe and expanding our horizons. Starbase is a symbol of hope. It represents the collective aspirations of humanity, a beacon of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. The inspiring imagery of space missions and the sight of a space station in orbit are testaments to our progress. They inspire us to keep pushing the boundaries of what is possible. It shows what we can do when we work together. The diverse team of scientists and engineers collaborating on this project is a powerful example of unity and teamwork. Their combined efforts lead to groundbreaking discoveries and successful tests. Celebrating these achievements reminds us that together, we can overcome any challenge and reach new heights. Starbase is not just a project, it's a testament to the power of human collaboration and the limitless potential of our future in space. Section 7. Reaching for the stars. In the vast expanse of the universe, humanity has always looked up, dreaming of what lies beyond our world. Starbase, a beacon of innovation and ambition, stands as a testament to our relentless pursuit of the stars. Ship 35's return is a small step. This moment, though seemingly minor, represents years of dedication, countless hours of research, and the unwavering spirit of exploration. Each successful landing brings us closer to mastering space travel. But it's part of a much bigger journey. Our quest to explore the cosmos is not just about reaching new destinations, but about understanding our place in the universe. Every satellite we launch, every mission we undertake adds a piece to the puzzle of our existence. Starbase is leading the way. With cutting-edge technology and a team of brilliant minds, it is at the forefront of space exploration. Here, dreams are turned into reality, and the impossible becomes possible. It's showing us that anything is possible. The joy and celebration of each successful mission remind us of the boundless potential of human ingenuity. Together we are breaking barriers and setting new milestones. One day, we will reach Mars. The red planet, once a distant dream, is now within our grasp. With each passing day, we are making strides towards making interplanetary travel a reality. And it all starts here, at Starbase. This is where the future of space exploration begins. From the first spark of an idea to the final countdown, Starbase is the launchpad for humanity's greatest adventures. The stars are no longer out of reach, they are our next destination.